In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly make a lot of status labels in Monday.com. This is going to be a quick and easy guide to help streamline your project management workflows. Let's dive in. First, what you're going to do is head over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that first. So go ahead and click on the login button. Once you've clicked that, you'll see the option to log in using different methods. For simplicity, if you have a Google account, just click on the Google option and select the Google account you want to use for logging in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the board you want to work on. Whether it's a team project or a personal board, find the one you'd like to edit. Once you're there, look for the option where you can add a column to your existing table setup. Click on that, and you'll see various column options. Here, you'll want to choose the drop-down option. This choice will let you create a comprehensive list of statuses that you frequently use or need. With your drop-down column now in place, click inside the cell of the new column. This action will allow you to input the labels you need. If you've already prepared a list of labels externally, maybe in a spreadsheet or a document, you can simply paste them right here. This is a great way to save time, especially if you're working with a long list of statuses. Next, you'll notice three little dots at the top right corner of the drop-down column. Go ahead and click them. From the menu that appears, select Change Column Type. This option enables you to modify the drop-down you've just created into a status column, which is what makes managing your workflow in Monday.com so efficient. Finally, in the options that present themselves, click on Status. Converting your drop-down list into a status list enables you to take full advantage of Monday.com's visual tools and functionalities. You'll notice that the status column includes color-coded labels to better organize and highlight different statuses, making it extremely handy for tracking everything at a glance. And there you have it. You've just efficiently created a whole new set of status labels that will help keep your projects organized and your team in sync. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your productivity with Monday.com.